In this quick video, I want to show you how to make the top freezer on any refrigerator. This particular one is a GE, warmer or colder. If it's a top down and not a French one with the doors side by side, it's fairly simple to do. So I'm opening up my GE, and some models will actually have the temperature dial in the freezer, so you might have to remove some items. Sometimes they're on the side, usually on the right side here, or sometimes they're on the back, so you might have to remove some items. And the dial goes from 0 to 9. Of course, freezing is 0 degrees Fahrenheit, but you could actually lower it to closer to 0, which will actually make it warmer up to about 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Around 3 to 4 would be more like 0. But as you can see here, this is way too cold for me. It's kind of ruining my food. As you can see here what it did to my steak. So look for a dial to change it. Now, this particular GE does not have a dial in the freezer department, okay? And most refrigerators actually use this airflow. So all the cooling part of a refrigerator is done in the freezer. And then what happens is you have a fan with a little airflow that will actually go in to the fresh food compartment. And a lot of people don't realize this part here is not considered the refrigerator. The part that's around 37 degrees Fahrenheit, that what's not freezing, this is actually called the fresh food compartment. All right, and then you should find a dial. As you can see here, mine is located right here, and this actually only controls the freezer, but it lets cold air come through to cool this part of the refrigerator out, which is called the fresh food. Now, sometimes it's located here, sometimes it's down here, but it's usually right here. And if it has a dial, it'll be like 1 through 3. And of course, this actually shows coldest to cold. So this really is controlling the freezer, and it's a dual temperature. So I'm not able to dually adjust them. They're working on a single system. So if I make my freezer colder, it's going to make my refrigerator colder. If I make my freezer warmer, it's going to make my fresh food compartment warmer. So being that I have icicles here, I want to make it warmer, closer to cold. So I would probably lower it down to here. And that right here, lowering it to cold, is going to make my freezer a little bit warmer to where I don't have the icicles. If I want to make it colder, I'm going to blast it like that up to the coldest. But if you go here, that's off. All right, let me know in the comment section what kind of refrigerator do you have, what kind of GE you have, if you have a GE. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.